Hey there, science enthusiasts. Ever heard of spin glasses? Imagine a bunch of tiny magnets called spins, all jumbled up and unable to decide which way to point. Some want to align together, while others want to point in opposite directions. This chaotic situation is what scientists call a spin glass. It's like a crowd of people trying to dance together, but everyone's dancing to a different tune. So, what are spin glasses? Think of spins as tiny compass needles. In normal magnets, these needles line up neatly, like soldiers in a row. But in spin glasses, the needles are confused because some want to point the same way, while others want to point oppositely. The interactions between the spins are random. Some attract, some repel. This randomness creates frustration. The spins can't all be happy at the same time, so they get stuck in a messy, frozen state. Now, why are spin glasses so interesting? They're like a giant jigsaw puzzle where the pieces don't fit perfectly. Scientists love studying them because they're so complicated and unpredictable. Spin glasses show us how systems behave when things are random and messy, helping us understand real-world problems like how materials break down or how the brain works. Plus, they have weird behaviors, like freezing at a certain temperature into a messy pattern and having a memory of their past. How do scientists study spin glasses? They perform experiments by cooling down materials and observing their behavior. They measure responses to magnetic fields and temperature changes. They also use computer simulations because spin glasses are so complicated. These simulations help them test theories and make predictions. Additionally, scientists use math to describe spin glasses. One famous model is called the Edwards-Anderson model, where spins sit on a grid with random interactions. What about real-world applications? Spin glasses are a metaphor for tough problems, like finding the best route for a delivery truck or organizing a complicated schedule. Scientists use ideas from spin glasses to design algorithms that solve these problems. In brain science, the brain's messy, random connections are similar to a spin glass, helping us understand memory storage and information processing. Understanding spin glasses could lead to new materials with special properties, like better computer memory or sensors. Fun fact: spin glasses are like a frozen storm. The spins constantly try to move but get stuck due to all the frustration. They're named after glass because, like glass, they freeze into a disordered state instead of forming a neat crystal. Even supercomputers struggle to simulate them. In conclusion, spin glasses teach us about the beauty of disorder and help solve real-world problems. They're made of tiny magnets, but their behavior is anything but simple. And that's what makes them so exciting to study. Think of it like this. A spin glass is like a party where everyone wants to dance, but no one can agree on the music. Some people want to waltz, others want to break dance, and the whole group ends up frozen in place, unable to move. Scientists study this frozen dance to learn about randomness and frustration in the world around us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome science content.